Hi, how can I improve my circular behavior in my kitchen? What is the household consumption? And why it's important to start with the fridge, where our most important, the food. How can I organize my fridge? Maybe the upper level to be, it expires now, it expires later, and it expires way later. This is having a plan. By eating like this, consuming like this, I will have to up to 36% less waste, less food waste. And that's very good for me and for the relationship with Big Mama. This is part from circular thinking and circular behavior. Learn to do good.